I picked up a pair of AirPods last week and have been using them with my iPhone, Mac and other Apple devices. The experience is fantastic, seamless, even, and the sound isn't half bad either. When you first open the dental floss-like lid and place an iPhone nearby, the two gadgets talk to one another, and a little window pops up on the iPhone screen to begin pairing. But, not being an active iPhone user, the experience was short-lived. I turned to my LG V20 and asked, "Are you willing to behave the same way?" I placed the AirPods nearby, opened the dental floss lid, and nada. Strain your credulity for just a moment please. But unlike the vast majority of Apple's lightning-specific accessories, the AirPods use a common standard, Bluetooth, to actually pair with devices and play music on them. So, knowing that this was a possibility on Android, I set out to test the universality of Apple's latest sales phenom. AirPods pair to an Android phone like any other Bluetooth device, relatively clumsily, and through the settings. Opening the lid and holding down on the earbud case's single button, the system is placed into pairing mode when the LED turns white. It should then show up in the phone's Bluetooth menu. I did this reliably, more so than with most other Bluetooth headphones, a dozen or so times with various Android products, from phones to tablets, and the AirPods were found and connected quickly every time. It's unclear how much juice Apple's W1 chip gives to non-iDevices, but if nothing else it seems to be pointing things in the right direction. Say what you will about the AirPods design, but you really shouldn't dismiss them until you have them in your ears, jamming away untethered, while you walk around the house or on errands. I've had the displeasure of using Bluetooth headphones that had one or more damning flaws, from discomfort to poor battery life, and the only thing I'd say about the AirPods is that they look a little funny.